Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to clock in on the Workday app. First, open the Workday application on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, locate and tap on the time or absence application icon. This will take you to the time tracking section. From there, simply select the clock in option to officially start your workday. It's a straightforward process designed for efficiency, taking less than 30 seconds. After selecting Clock In, the app will display your current time. Please take a moment to review this time to ensure it's accurate. If your organization uses geofencing, you might also be prompted to confirm your location. This helps verify you are clocking in from an approved worksite. Once everything looks correct, tap the Submit or Confirm button to finalize your clock-in. This step is crucial for accurate payroll. Sometimes, you might encounter issues when trying to clock in. First, ensure your mobile device has a strong and stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Second, verify that location services are enabled for the Workday app in your phone settings, as this is often required. If problems persist for more than 5 minutes, or if you receive an error message, please contact your manager or Human Resources department immediately for assistance. They can help resolve technical glitches. At the end of your shift, the process for clocking out is just as simple. Reopen the Workday app and navigate back to the time or absence section. This time, select the Clock Out option. You can then review your total hours worked for the day. Additionally, remember to regularly access your timesheet within the app to view and approve your weekly entries, typically by Friday afternoon. This ensures your pay is always correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.